How to sign up Barclays Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To open up your Barclays Bank account, go ahead and log in into your Barclays Bank application or type in www.barclays.co.uk. Click on the line if you are checking it from the website. Now over here at the top you will see the big apply button. You need to click on it to sign up to your account. Over here you can apply for the various of edition of your bank account. Tap on apply online, or if you have the app you can sign up through it as well. Then you need to go ahead and fill out this form, so go ahead and do that. After you hit on the continue button, you will be redirected to a next page. In here, thoroughly go ahead and read out all of the terms and conditions and tap on this box icon to accept with the terms and condition. Click on continue once again. Now finally, go ahead and enter about your personal details over here. It will require your residential address as well. Once you fill out all of this form, you have to go ahead and click on continue once again, from which you will have to provide some of the documentation to verify your identity. After all of this, and you will be verified, you'll have your very own Barclays Bank account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.